Hey guys, Wade here with Zimco Instrumentation. Today we're going to be talking about our fluid power thermostatic control valves, an incredibly important piece of equipment on your engines and compressors, and we're going to take a deep dive today into how these things work. Fluid power thermostatic control valves can be used in a couple of different applications. In a diverting application, cold fluid enters the fluid inlet port of the valve and is diverted through port B. As fluid temperature begins to rise and approach the set point, the thermostat will start to open and a small portion of fluid is diverted through the C port. When the fluid begins to reach 10 degrees above the set point, the valve will be in its fully open state. In a mixing application, the valve will mix two different temperature fluids to the set point temperature of the valve. When the temperature of the fluid entering the valve is approximately 10 degrees or more below the set point of the valve, the thermostat will be in the fully closed position. As the fluid temperature rises and approaches the set point, the thermostat will start to open and allow a small portion of cold fluid from the C port to enter and mix with the hot fluid from B port. As the temperature continues to rise above the set point, the thermostat will modulate between the open and closed positions to allow more or less cold fluid to enter the C port. Spin clean technology offered by Fluid Power is a way to clean your oil as it is used. Oil enters the bottom of the spin clean and is forced through the top. Fluid then causes the revolution of the spin clean, which forces oils from the inside out through the filter of the spin clean, which separates any particles down to 1 micron of size out of the oil, keeping your oil clean and your machinery functioning properly. If you want to learn more about Fluid Power or the many different repair kits we keep on the shelf here at Zimco, call us today at 403-253-8320.